welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the community. Today I have a very different kind of interesting short video for you guys. I'm going to try something new that's supposed to change your eyelash application game. So we will see, we will find out. So I found this product on Sephora.com. This is the Velour Lash, the brand Velour Lash and Go eyeliner plus lash adhesive hybrid. So let's get into trying this lash adhesive. So this is the carton it came in. So it's in here. This is the actual product. So it looks kind of like a liquid liner. Well, it is a liquid liner, you know, like a usual regular liquid liner. And so it comes with a little brush tip applicator like this. Let me show you guys. So that's how fine the brush tip is, which is really nice. So yeah, let's put this baby to the test. So my only reservation is I'm very particular about my eyeliner, you guys. You know this. My favorite ride or die eyeliner is Pat McGrath's Permagel eyeliner. And the next favorite is the Tarte Maneater eyeliner. So those two are kind of like shoulder to shoulder. But I would say I like Pat McGrath slightly better. So I'm very picky about my eyeliner, so I'm not so sure how much this is going to help me out, but let's find out. Right off the bat, this is not the greatest eyeliner. I mean, it's not bad. It's doing a pretty decent job. But this wouldn't be my first choice if I were to select an eyeliner, just based on just an eyeliner, not a lash adhesive. You know what I mean? Probably not my first choice for an eyeliner, but it's really good for something that's supposed to also be a lash adhesive, you know? So I think you keep this wet. What does it say? So the instructions say, step 1, starting with one eye, apply liner from inner to outer corner of the lash. Step 2, apply lashes along lash line and adjust as necessary. Step 3, repeat on the other eye. So I think while this is wet, I'm supposed to go in and quickly put the lash on. So I picked a very heavy set of lashes, so it's because I wanted to really test this product to see if it'll actually hold up. So this is actually Lily lashes. You know how thick and heavy duty Lily lashes tend to be. So I'm also going to put it on the lash band. It's a little hard to get the product out of this. Not very much product is actually coming on the brush. It's very thin. I'm not like really seeing it on the lash band. I got a little bit on my, that's what I was afraid of. Got a little bit on my cheek there. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and flick it off. Wow guys, that actually went on really easy. It really did. I hate applying lashes and it usually takes me forever. So I'm just pinching it together now. Yeah, that went on fairly quickly, you guys, except for the little smudge I got here. I will clean it up here in a minute when things dry. So now I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna, you know, let this dry.
Just last week you called me, the way you're talking's driving me insane. Hello.
That really was effortless, you guys. I mean, I struggle with lashes whenever I do lashes. Thing about lash adhesive, usually it's very sticky And what happens is, even if you wait for the lashes, you apply the lash glue and wait for the lash glue to dry like for 30 seconds so it becomes tacky, and then you put it on, still the consistency can be wrong and it just won't stick. That's like the biggest problem that I have with lash adhesive, because it just doesn't, if you stick it in once, it should stick, but it just keeps coming off, you know, like, so it's really like, you gotta get it right. But I did not have that problem with this one. The only problem I will say that I had, you saw that I got a little smudge here, and it turns out it's not like mascara. You can't just take a spoolie of one of your eyebrow pencils and just flick it off, wait for it to dry and flick it off. That's the trick that you do with mascara if you get it smudged. But you can't do that with this because of the consistency. It just still leaves like a gray, light black like shadow there. So I actually had to go in with take a little makeup remover on my finger and just kind of like, you know, erase it, and then put my, you know, take my sponge and kind of cover it with what was left on the sponge for foundation. So I kind of like erased it. But other than that, this really went well, you guys. I mean, these are very thick lashes from Lily Lashes. They're not like light at all by any means. They're very, very heavy set of lashes, and it worked. I am shocked, you guys. So I will say, I mean, in terms of using this as an eyeliner, it's not my favorite. I don't think you have to do that though. I mean, I did draw the eyeliner, I know, like my wing liner with it, but you don't have to do that. You can just use this as a lash adhesive, and it, you know, just do it on the lash band without, you know, doing your entire, you know, wing liner with it. Just, you know, do the lash band with it, or you don't even have to. You can just apply it to the actual lash strip. Then you can apply to that and stick it on, or you can just put a little like liner right along the lash line there, and then put it on the lashes and then stick it on. You don't have to do your entire wing liner with this if you don't like it, but it's not like it didn't work. I mean, you know, that is all I'm wearing right now. I mean, it did do a good job with my wing liner, but it's not my preferred wing liner. It's not, you know, black as night, you know, the way that Pat McGrath one is. So, I mean, nothing's gonna be Pat McGrath's eyeliner for me. What I would do is I would draw my wing liner like usual, and then I would take this and put it on the lash band, and then I would apply it to the lash itself, and then I will stick it on. So that's how I'm going to use this going forward. But I just wanted to tell you guys, this thing works. I love it. I mean, this is gonna be my ride or die lash adhesive from now on. The only thing you have to watch out for is that it gets smudged if you're not careful. Like if you apply it to your lash band, it's very thin, it's very runny consistency, so it actually would get it all over your eyelid. Like if you apply it to your lashes and you try to put it on, and if your lash touch your face like mine did, then you're gonna have a problem. So when you just have to be very careful, apply it to your lashes and make sure you just pop it right on the lash line without letting it touch anywhere on your face. So the chances of you getting it on your face is high because of the runny consistency of this. At first I was like, I pulled it out, I think I applied too much. I couldn't see the actual product on here because it's very thin, so I kept putting it in and reapplying it. So maybe that's why I got too much on there and then it got all over my face. I don't know. But I will say though, in terms of it serving as a lash glue, lash adhesive, it's bomb.com. It's bomb.com. I mean, it's on there. My lashes are on there and they're not moving, and the ends are not lifting. So that's like the biggest problem, especially when wearing really heavy sets like this. They don't really stick on right away. Usually the lash adhesive is not like strong enough for it to stick on. Even if you wait 30 seconds for it to become tacky, doesn't always, you know, you just really have to like, you know, press it on there, and then you have to pinch it and all that. I didn't have to do a whole lot of pinching or pressing, just like a little amount, like a light pinching, light, you know, tapping, and it was done. It was on there. So I would say I like this. I really do. I think it's great. You guys should check it out. It's available on Sephora, and I'm sure of course on Velour lashes as well on the website, but I bought it from Sephora. Run out and get it, you guys. I really think this is a great product. I think this is gonna change my lash game. I'm probably gonna start wearing lashes more often if it's gonna make it that easy for me to do, you know? So yeah, the way I described how I would use it, that's how I would use it. If you guys want to, you know, if you're not a big wing liner person, then this would just totally be fine for you, just as an eyeliner and a lash adhesive. But I probably am going to apply it the way I described. I would use Pat McGrath for my, or another, you know, liquid eyeliner for my wing liner, and then I would put this right on the lash line, and then I would put it on the lash itself and then stick it on. So that's how I would probably use it. So yeah, love it. Great product. Please let me know if this was helpful. Let me know your thoughts. Do you have it? Have you tried it? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video.